The easy-to-use Vitamix S30 Personal Blender offers great versatility when creating healthy meals. With a 15cm footprint, you can produce 3 square meals a day without taking up much space in the kitchen. Great for those with small kitchens. The 0.6 litre and 1.2 litre BPA-free containers provide blending versatility. The smaller container becomes an instant travel cup, and the larger is ideal for creating small family meals of soups, sauces and more. With interchangeable blade base and a powerful motor, the blades can easily attach to both containers to crush ice and blitz through even the toughest of food. Create the same smooth meals no matter which container you use. This adjustable Vitamix S30 Personal Blender is an excellent accessory and a welcomed addition to any stylish kitchen.